How to find the right grants for your organization. Hi, I'm Andrea Hancock, owner of Hancock Business and Creative Services, LLC, where I help small businesses and nonprofits simplify their operations and succeed with confidence. If you want clear, practical tips on building your organization or grant writing, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you never miss out when a new video comes out. If you've ever spent hours scrolling through grant databases or Google and ended up overwhelmed, you are not alone. Finding grants can feel like a full-time job, but the truth is, once you know where to look and how to qualify a good fit, the process gets a lot simpler. Here's how I recommend approaching it. Step 1, stay close to home. Look at your city, your county, or local community foundations first, even clubs. They're often more approachable and specifically fund the work that you do in your area. Step 2, use the right tools. You don't need expensive software to start. Google can be really powerful if you set the right filters and keywords like film grant, New York City 2026, or capacity building grant for Florida nonprofits. There are also free low-cost directories like Kansas Foundation Search directory online, Grant Station's another, and some states have state-based resources as well. Step 3, evaluate the fit before you apply, before you start the application. Read the foundation's mission statement. Look at what they funded in past years. If their grantees look similar to your organization in size, focus, or location, that's a strong positive signal. What I tell my clients is just don't chase just dollars. Chase alignment, because even a perfectly written grant proposal won't win if the funder's goals don't match yours. Even if the first grant you write for that funder is small, you've now opened the door for a relationship that can grow over time. So focus your energy on finding the 5 right funders instead of the wrong 50. If you're ready to build a strong, reusable proposal that you can use again and again for your organization, that's exactly what I help clients do through my grant writing packages. You can book a free 15-minute consultation using the link in the description box. If you're interested in being really hands-on and writing your own grants, I do have some DIY packages as well linked in the description below. Happy grant writing!